welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from PaintGem. I did get these items for review, so thank you to PaintGem. So I got the Bakery Edition and the Summer Edition. These are two newer sets. Although after I went to set up for this video, I saw there was two more new ones after this. So those are on their way because I just went and got them. So next, whatever. That's how it rolls. But so I got the Summer Edition and Bakery Edition. So let's do Summer Edition first. So this looks like it has 12 pictures, and this one is $39.90. And if you haven't gotten a PaintGem before, it usually comes in this box here. And there is 12 designs in the back here. So according to the website, this thing will have 41 colors and 10,513 gems or drills. So toolkit. Okay, so comes with the white boat in this nice canvas bag that you could use to store your stuff. A heart-shaped plate of wax in a container, some multi-placers, a black squishy that you could put on your pen, and then one of the white pens, and some tweezers. You know, if you get really good at it, you could actually place square diamond painting drills with tweezers. I did it. I used to do checkerboarding, and now I don't do that. I'm a multi-placer now. And checkerboarding is when you place like a drill every other drill, so it looks like a checkerboard, and then you fill it in. And they say that when you do it that way, your drills will be straighter. And I agree, they will be straighter, but I am a multi-placer now. I don't do that. I don't do that anymore. So their drills come in baggies, and as far as I know, they still only do squares, and usually there are no like ABs in these either, but they do use the resin drills, which is, I think I'm becoming, I think the longer you diamond paint, the more snobbish you get. So I think I'm becoming a drill snob now that I have pretty much just been getting squares if I know they're resin. Or, you know, if some new company asks me to do something, I'll go do, I'll try out their thing. But if I already know they're not resin, I'm like, oh, I'm not gonna get it. I'm just gonna get rounds or something. But yeah, now I've become one of those people. But yeah, so they do use the resin drills. This one looks like a really nice color, like, I guess that's why this is summer. I was gonna say, it's very bright summery colors. But I did just order the fall version because I saw it. I was like, oh, there's a fall version. And if you've been watching my channel, you might realize that the fall pictures, although I don't think I have much right now because I haven't been getting, no, actually, now I've had plenty. I have plenty in my stash, but I haven't been, getting as many diamond paintings as I used to. So it looks like they're, this is their only legend, but it's also stickers. And they don't come in like DMC order, but their symbols are mainly letters and then a couple symbols. And let's look at them. So someone asked me if the number down here corresponds to the image here. And I'm like, no. See, this one says it's 12, but that's design 7. So it looks like a palm tree in an egg. Palm tree. I'm like, okay, palm tree in an egg. Hello, summer, with a toucan and a watermelon. I forgot what kind of car this is called. It's like one of those hippie cars. Oh yeah, I haven't shown the drill field. Usually, I don't really have any problem with seeing the drill field for paint gems. Except for like the dark colors, sometimes they use black lettering, but usually it's the reds, but this one they use white lettering, so maybe they're getting better. I'm all for companies improving. What is this? Oh, it's luggage. I thought it was a pineapple for whatever reason. It's luggage. Yeah. See, a pineapple would totally work for summer. Okay. Some surfboards and a palm tree. A house in the woods, maybe? I'm not sure if this is summer. I guess it could be. Cabin, like a, oh no, wait, this is not a house. Is it a tent? It could be a tent. Some palm trees and I don't know, is that a volcano? Maybe. Sailboat. Waterfall. Lounge chair with some umbrella. Lighthouse and some flowers maybe? And some flip-flops. So that's this one up. This one, my light is shining a little too much on it. There. All right. So, next set. Did I say this one was $39.90? Oh yeah, I was gonna measure one, which this one looks nice and measurable. So this is about like 2 3/4 inches by almost 4, or about 7 1/4 centimeters by 9.5 centimeters. They are partials, but I'm yeah, so you don't diamond paint the white. Although I have contemplated diamond painting the white. And just like getting a grid line, diamond painting grid line, put it under it, like tape this thing, actually use a light pad and then just start diamond painting. But nope, hasn't happened. All right, let me. Next one, I got bakery edition. So this one was food. It looks like it has, there's 16 pictures, there are 34 colors, and there's 11,385 drills. And this one is $39.90. And there's some stuff in the back. I thought I was going to like name them like. So I'm assuming it's the same toolkit. And these are square drills, like I said. For as far as I know, they are only doing square drills. So here's the color scheme for this one. Looks like it's pretty much letters and numbers. The other one had a little bit more colors, so it had to go into the symbol territory. Okay, this one has 16 pictures. So let's see if it'll fit on my table. Maybe move a little bit up. Okay, so some ice cream. Cake slice here. Ooh. A cupcake. I really like pictures of food. I really like I really like diamond paintings of food. A croissant. Although if I didn't know this was supposed to be food and I saw this, I don't know what I would think this is. A donut. Okay. I think these are macaroons. Pretzel. Another donut. Okay, so 2 donuts. Ooh, this one, it looks like another cupcake, but if I were to choose between the cupcakes, I don't know. I think there's this, I would choose this one mainly because that looks like it has too much frosting. I'm not a big frosting fan. Well, I like frosting, but not too much. Ooh, this cake looks good. Another donut. Okay, so I guess at some point you're just like, I'm gonna make a donut. We're gonna do donuts. What is this? Is this like a Danish, maybe? Oh no, it's cinnamon roll. Cinnamon roll. Yes, cinnamon roll. Some sort of lemon cake, maybe. What is this? Cookies? I guess cookies. Maybe it'll look better when it's diamond paint. Here's another donut. And it's some sort of bread. I know there's like a name for it. It's like a braided type of bread. And there is the food. What is this? The bakery edition. Yeah, I think I would have to say, what's my favorite? I can't think. I think I kind of like this one. All right, so there is that. Will I be able to show everything if I start taking out the other one? Be like, so too many things, not enough space on the table. So if I move this up, see, I'll be able to show everything, right? There you go. So now you see everything. I have some bakery and some summer pictures here. So summer edition and bakery edition. All right, so that's all I have for today. So thank you very much to PaintGem for sending these items for review. And thank you for watching and happy diamond painting. Bye.